everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is a look that I just created. If you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. We're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette. We're just gonna go see what I come up with because I don't really have an idea for today's video. The first shade I'm gonna be taking is Creamsicle. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild P20 brush. I'm just take Creamsicle and put it all in my crease. So right here on the outer corner, pack it on all throughout, and then we'll start blending and slowly start blending the edges. And make sure, like always, to take it in. Just make sure it's just blown out. Since this is a first color, it'll just help every color blend together. So okay, now we're gonna go in with the other color. I'm gonna take my other fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in with Pukey. We're just gonna put that in the crease as well. So in the outer corner and drag it up into our crease. And just putting a little bit more. And we're going to use the side of the brush just to make sure it's blown out and not harsh. Now for the next color, we're going to go in with the Syn Cole ES07 brush. And we're going to go in with a little bit of Enchanted. We're going to get it and focus that also in the crease. I don't want to blow it out too much and cover all the brown, so I just want to focus it more to deepen up the shadow. Favorite brush to cut the crease real quick, and we'll be back. Okay, so I already put my concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with Diva, and I'm just gonna use my finger, so I'm gonna take it and pack it on. Go back in with the same brush and take a little bit of Enchanted again, just to blend it together. Go in with my black eyeliner and just do a wing. Well, looks like it's gonna be a dramatic look today, so I already did my eyeliner. Now we're gonna start going with the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. And for the center of the face, I'm gonna take the NYX Angel Veil. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. So I'm just gonna put that, and then we'll be back to finish off the rest of the face. Okay, so I put my foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Morphe C1.35 concealer. just gonna use my KVD translucent powder to set my face. For my bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs. So this is it. My angled blush brush, and just use this to bronze my face. It's so good. Okay, now I'm just gonna take a little bit of the powder again and just clean up under the Okay, for highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlight. Go in with the Milani Blossom Time Rose blush. So this one. And I'm gonna take my Kabuki brush. This one is from Alan Tracy. And just under the eye, we're gonna take a mixture of Pukey and Creamsicle. And now with the other same brush, we're gonna go in with Enchanted and lightly put that on the lower lash line. We're gonna take a little bit of Beam from the palette also and put that on the inner corner of the eyes. Today I'm gonna use the Thick Doll Lashes in Beige. I'm gonna put the glue on the lashes and put them on. Okay, so we're back with the lashes. Now I'm gonna take the KKW Beauty lip liner in shade Nude 1. I'm gonna go in with the KVD liquid lipstick in Lolita. For the center of my lip, I'm gonna take the Rimmel Stay Matte liquid matte lip color in the shade Rosetto. So this is a finished look. Didn't really know what I was gonna record before I started playing around with my makeup, and this is the outcome of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting, sharing, liking. I really appreciate all the love that I get. Let me know what you think about this look. Leave any comments, suggestions of any future videos, or just anything, and I'll see you in the next one. What do I